Hey, how y'all doing? It's a beautiful day. I got the EVERLIT first aid kit. I was going through my hurricane preparedness kit and getting ready. We're at the peak of the hurricane season and wanted to give a review on this first aid kit. I've been having it for a couple years, so I'm just checking it out, making sure everything's in there, and I just wanted to give a review. I purchased it because it had a lot of pieces in there, and I'm gonna see if I could kind of like go through them. But the packaging is solid. It's in a camouflage. It has some Velcro to be able to put some stickers or some badges and stuff. You could attach it to a backpack or a survival kit. You know what I'm saying? This, you could attach it to a backpack or have this attached to whatever you need to attach it to. So let's go ahead and open her up. Check it out. Very organized. I'm telling you, just right here on this side, check this out. That's a flashlight. You got medical scissors. You got rope that goes around your wrist with a fire starter and a compass. I'm telling you, like, there's things in here that I don't even know exist. So like another fire starter. You got glow sticks right here behind. In there you got cotton swabs, Q-tips. I'm sorry. This is to perform CPR. You put it over someone's mouth that requires it. You got a poncho. You got a thermal blanket right here. That's pretty solid if you got little kids, even for yourself if you're out in the woods. So I think everybody should have one of these in your, we're in South Florida, so hurricane season, it's half the year, you know what I'm saying? So I'm always trying to add to my preparedness and stuff like that. So what else? On this side, you got the more medical items. You got gloves, gauzes, you got alcohol swabs, band-aids, bandages, adhesives. So definitely a solid first aid kit. Definitely recommend it. Take it easy.